Tonight is our back to school night for our families and also an open house for our community to come and view our new building. We're excited to be in our new building. A year and a half coming. We're excited for all the collaboration spaces.
We started this process over 2 years ago, meeting with the staff and the community to imagine what this building could be, and to see it all come together and kids in the building is pretty special.
Well, this new building is special to me because I went to school here from kindergarten through 2nd grade, and it's just an amazing experience to see all the different changes that we have now to celebrate that.
I'm loving the open floor plan. I'm loving how much bigger it is. It seems like it's almost like more of a campus now than a school.
I'm really excited about the playground, definitely. The library, definitely the classrooms and seeing my friends and stuff.
The shared classrooms is a unique idea. I kind of like the idea that they're able to kind of connect with the other classrooms neighboring them and share that space as well.
All the classrooms look so much different. And there are garage doors for the doors. I thought that was pretty cool.
We're all in for the strategic plan. We're working towards our wildly important goals. We know that our kids are going to learn to the highest possible levels with the incredible teachers that we have, and we're going to stay ridiculously positive throughout this school year. It's going to be amazing.
It's so different, it's so much cooler than I was expecting. It's amazing.
The nice thing about Rushton is not only, do I get to teach here as a former student, but a lot of kids that I went to school with now, I'm teaching their kids. So just having that strong community sense, Rushton is a place where you want to come and stay and raise your kids.